What a beautiful move in silver as well last week. We had seen prices moving all the way towards $65 before closing the week at 68. Can we expect a further fall here in silver prices? Can we expect price to trade below 60 and 58? And are we looking forward to a further crash here in silver? Yes. Looking at this channel, is it going to breach below 40? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week? We're gonna see here with the help of charts and indicators. Remember, we are the ones who have been recommending sells since long here in silver. I had mentioned this time itself. This is an insane run. This is insane. This is stretched beyond my ability, is beyond my forecast, beyond my vision. 120 should be a hurdle. 120 should not be taken away. Right from 120, we had seen this fall, and in fact, at this rise before the beginning of the war, at the time of beginning of the war, I had mentioned very clearly, even if it tries to rise 105 at best, it can do, but then reversal has to be there. A brief retracement, and despite all the certainties, silver prices have crashed here. Yes, neither the EV productions have slowed down, neither the solar cell production has gone down, neither we have invented or discovered any alternative for silver for industrial use, neither we have still discovered a mine here, neither there is a restrictions lift off by China, but still the prices are crashing. Remember, everyone was saying just buy. This is the beauty of influencers. Everyone was saying just buy. In fact, people are sitting with the buys since here. They are still sitting on it, expecting it to recover. Now, can we expect this recovery? Remember, this could be a trap here. Yes, possible it can reverse and follow up, rise here, but I think now 100 should be a dream for now. It is not going to break this. That is what is my expectation. We will see further in details. But before that, friends, this is the only channel to deliver you weekly updates and twice a day updates for silver with precise entry levels, targets, and take profits as well. First update every day with the Asia and Europe session, next before the US session. If you just want to profit every day with the signals, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for notification. Join the free Telegram channel where we give you the live updates of the markets. Link is there in the channel and video description. Join the channel memberships here in order to support the effort. And friends, your every like, comment, and share is a great motivation for me to deliver consistently to the best of my ability. With that, let's start. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels. So first point here is price is seen trading below the 5 period and the 20 period. Remember the last time when we had seen this happening? Way back in almost a year back, that is 2025, with the tariffs move, we have seen the prices crashing all the way towards 100 period, followed by an immediate pullback, and this was also the range of consolidation from which the prices have shot up. Now after a while, price is seen trading below the 20 period moving average. It also indicates it is close below 20 period moving average. It also indicates now the probability of a move towards 50 period, and in fact the possibility of a move towards 50 cannot be denied in the near future. However, it is not going to be a straight line move. There is a possibility of a retracement, but for now what we are looking at here is lower highs and lower lows, which means the price would like to fall somewhere towards the zone, towards the lows at 50-54, and this could be the support where it may try to consolidate for a while before taking a direction. So this is first point here. Second point here is the immediate support should be seen at 62-64 zone, which should be a greater support, breaking below which we can expect 58, 54, and $50 zone, the next targets here. Moving averages are now trying to show a bit of consolidation here after giving an exponential rise, but yet not confirming a complete reversal. Yes, the stochastic is looking downwards again, may form a double bottom before bouncing back. Double bottom means 2 or 3 weeks of prolonged bearishness possibly. Look at the MACD. This is very crucial. See the MACD here, traded with extreme. This was an insane run here in silver. Never ever seen for such a move in any such instrument which is widely traded across the globe, which has an impact on the industries across segment. What has happened after consolidation? See what a good shot up it has shown. Extreme move. This was, I'll say, an insane move, and now this is crossed over. First bigger candle, trading with divergence, and that is why I say silver is still going to be with the sell on rise factor. It has just crossed over. This is going to keep trading bearish for months and weeks. That is what it appears to be the case from here. And hence I'll say, as long as now 88-90 zone is not taken, you should not, in fact I'll say 96 also, As long as these levels are not taken, do not treat silver as bullish. It can drop and crash hard. And till then, you can just expect sell on rise is going to be the best strategy for you in order to profit trading silver. Keep a note of these levels. Now, in the coming week, what you have to focus on, see this zone 65, 64, very, very crucial for silver to trade below. And then what will happen? 62, and in fact, I'll see it trading towards 59, 58 zone, which is the next strongest support. If 64 62 zone is taken, I think 59 58 should be there, and from there a little reversal or a retracement can be expected. That is the first part. Next is, if you see it starting with a little retracement, remember at best it can try to kiss 50 period. 50 period would be next week, would be somewhere between 75 76. Now on the upside, first is 70, next is 72, then third is 74 75 76. The range between 74 75 76 is going to be very, very crucial for silver for the coming week. If it is seen trading above this, possibly we may see further pullback, further rise from there. Remember, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. It is showing you bearish picture, but it is not going to be a straight line move. It can keep retracing like this, move towards 85, and then again drop. So drop, retracement, and then a possible drop later. Stochastic looking downwards, and MACD we have already seen. RSI, look at RSI coming out of this extreme zone, looking downwards, staying bearish. Again, not a supportive sign for the bulls. Now coming to the daily. Now on the daily chart, see, this was the bearish move, this was the retracement. At this point itself, I had mentioned that this is coming out of this retracement channel. It is going to go deeper, and what a beautiful move it is shown. Now we have to just wait for it to break below the preceding lows. The last time what we had seen is a move towards 65 64. I'll just wait for it to trade below this. I'll just then wait for it to trade below 62, and once 62 is taken, the next move is going to be taking it to 58 plus minus 1 levels. That is going to be the next support level which it would like to achieve. Moving averages, if you look at moving averages now, these are crossed over, these are trading with divergence, but the price is also trading with divergence from the moving average. So quite likely possible that it can stretch the drop and then retrace here. Let's see how far it can drop from here. Remember, the moving averages are crossing over on the sell side after a long time, and hence it can stay with this bearishness for a while before reversing. Now on the upside, if at all it starts to move upwards, as I have mentioned, 70, 72, and then 74, 75. See, this is also outside Bollinger Bands and closed at the lows, and this is closed with higher low. So it is still not giving yet a confirmation that we are going to look forward to a breakdown here. So very, very important for silver to trade below 65 and 64 in order to confirm the next move. Stochastic almost sitting at the bottom. The MACD is trading with divergence. The body sizes are increasing, suggests that the bearishness is increasing here. Only thing is, it is almost at the double bottom, but kind of extremes what we had seen at the top. Even if it moves towards plus 400, you can see still it is room for further down move, and below plus 400 minus 400 we can see an extreme move which could take it towards minus 800 and minus 1000, which means the prices are going to crash hard below these levels. RSI sitting at the bottom here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, drop, sideways movement, drop, retracement, drop. Now this is what it is trying to create here. It is very, very crucial for silver to trade beyond 72 and then 74 75 zone or 74 76 zone. If this is taken, then the next move might take it towards directly towards 78 and then 80. 80 is one critical number now for silver to break beyond. If at all 80 is taken, I think this should be a call for a further rally towards 85, and beyond 85 I think silver prices are going to move towards 92. But for now it appears difficult, as we have discussed this, that it has come out of this retracement channel, and hence there is still not much of room on the downside available for silver. Only thing is at 65 and 64 zone is what you should watch out for. Stochastic at the bottom here. The MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness here. RSI getting oversold. Coming to the monthly chart. On the monthly charts, now before I give you the trading levels and discuss the monthly charts, friends, many of you had asked that which trader I use, which broker I use, which is the safest broker where you can trade silver from across the globe, where you can trade the international market silver here. And only one broker I trust, only one I recommend, and it's been ages since I am sticking to one. Where, see, interesting thing is I find no manipulations, I find no stop loss hunting there. And yes, this customer care support is also very very beautiful. Also you can see the trust pilot and the play store reviews here and the ratings here. Amazing, amazing support here by customer care. And I find it most trustworthy, easier transactions, easier withdrawals, and you can do it through multiple options. You can do it through cash, crypto, and in fact bank transfers. Everything is there. So join the recommended broker and enjoy your trading journey. I find you will definitely find it meaningful. Now see the monthly charts. Look at the last month's lows. Now it is very very important for silver to break below these lows. Once it trades below 64, then as I mentioned 62, 58 should be the next target, and below 50 what we are looking at, we are looking forward to a possible move towards 50. 50 is a crucial psychological mark for silver to break. I always maintain whenever you see prices diverging from 20 period, it has to converge very very. Stochastic falling from the overbought zone right now looking downwards, quite likely possible that it can move towards the bottom here. Look at the MACD. This is insane. What a move we had seen in MACD here. Insane move here. See the divergence here. What an amazing divergence it has shown. And this was historic. This was historic. This was unexpected. And here at this point, I was completely trapped. And that is point of time I have been recommending sells here when everyone was going with the buys. I was the only one recommending with the sells here. In fact, despite the beginning of the war, also I have mentioned that it is the call for you to stay with the cells. And now this is the beauty of technicals. This was a trap for me, and see now this is going to show you the right direction. RSI just coming out of the overbought zone, looking downwards, falling vertically here. It is quite likely possible that it can move lower. Where are the targets? Where are the people who have been mentioning five, you can say 150, $200, $300 target for silver? I think everybody is just hiding the face looking at the kind of fall. However, it is not yet a reversal. Remember, they could still go right. It is not yet a reversal. It is just a cooling down phase. Now, as long as it stays above $30 levels, it's not yet a reversal. Remember this fact. Till $30 levels, it is just consolidation. It is just retracement. Price could reverse again. Remember, from 120 till the move towards 30, it's almost 75% erosion in wealth. I think silver can do so. Silver is the only one with, or not only the only one, but yes, silver can do so easily. Let's see how far it can stretch this drop. So considering this, what you should do. And before we proceed, friends, if you are willing to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And this time the batch could be completely free for you, because what we assure is the fees you are going to deposit will help you get refunded with the help of the market itself, where you are going to trade with me with the markets. And yes, the signals channel, which is going to be a paid signal channel which I run, which is as which I charge to my fellow people here, and you can be part of it completely free till the time you recover your complete fees here. This is the beauty of this mentorship batch. So do join the mentorship batch. The link is there in the channel and video description. The link is there in the communities tab here. Also, those looking forward just trade as per the signals can be part of my with me over Telegram or email. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. So in the coming week, how we can profit, I'll recommend you to buy at 68.4 levels, expected to move towards 69.270. Now 70, 70.4, this is what you should watch out for. Very, very good resistance here. Beyond this 72, if this is taken, I will be seeing it at 74, 75, and then 76.5. I think these are all going to offer it a very very good resistance for any upward move here beyond this 77.2 and then 78. If 78 is taken, 80 should not be too far, and then beyond 80 you can expect 84, 85 as the next target zone and a good resistance as well. If this is also taken, then 88, then 90. I think now is the question, because I do not expect it to deliver such a move. However, one positive development across the globe and things will go reverse, and hence, and this is also be a retracement, not yet a complete reversal. On the downside, what you can do, I will recommend you to sell here at 67.2, expect it to move towards 66.5. I'll expect it to move towards 65. Once it trades below 65 and then 64, just stay with the cells. You can expect 62, 60, 58.4. Now 58.4, 57.25. This is the zone you should watch out for. Else we are going to see it at 55, 52, and then 50. These are going to be the next possible targets for silver here. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.